Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Samayal. Today I am going to prepare a healthy soup with bajra. Take half cup of pearl millet in a mixer. Let's know the benefits of bajra. Bajra is rich in omega-3 fat, reduces the risk of heart attack. The insoluble fiber improves bowel movement. Bajra is also a good source of magnesium, so it helps in lowering the risk of diabetes. Now grind this bajra into a fine powder. Make sure that it is grinded into a fine powder. It's perfectly grinded. Now just sieve it. Now grind the leftover large particles again in a mixer and sieve it well. Now our pure bajra powder is ready. You can store this in an airtight container. And use it whenever you want to prepare this soup. In a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of bajra powder. Fry them for 2 minutes. Slowly add the water and stir it continuously until it comes to a boil. Keep stirring the mixture or else it may form the lumps. Make sure that you keep on stirring until it comes to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, add salt to taste. Add very few pieces of green chilli. Don't add too much. The adding of green chilli is optional. Just let it boil for 2 minutes. Switch off the flame and add 1 tablespoon of curd. Transfer it into a mixer. And grind it. Now our pearl millet soup is ready. It is one of the best and healthy soup which you can have it in your breakfast. Garnish it with coriander and serve it with chopped onions. Try this healthy breakfast at your home. You prepare for kids, just skip the adding of chili pieces. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you. Stay tuned to Healthy Samayal.